how to stabilize one or multiple clips inside Davinci Resolve version 18, and how to remove the stabilization from one or multiple clips. Okay, so to stabilize a single clip, select it on the timeline, here on the Edit tab. Go here to Inspector, and on the Video tab we have Stabilization. Click on it to open it and do any modification that you want, and click on Stabilize. So that stabilizes just one clip. Now to stabilize more clips, you have to do it one by one, or if you want to do it at once, then you have to group it. So select multiple clips, right click on them, and new compound clip. That creates a compound clip. Yes, create it. Those 3 clips are inside. And now stabilize this one, and that stabilizes the 3 clips which are inside. To remove the stabilization from this one, just simply uncheck this red dot, like so, and the stabilization from this was removed. Now to get into this one and remove the stabilization from the last clip also, right click on a clip, decompose in place using clips only, okay, and select the clip which was stabilized and unstabilize it. Okay, and if let's say 3 of them are stabilized, let's stabilize those also, the first one also. To remove it from 3 individual clips, select those multiple clips, right click on it and remove attributes. And here, which one is checked, that will be removed. So color correction has to be checked. Check this one and apply. And that removed the stabilization from each individual clip.